Hi YouTube, this is a Milwaukee Fastback 6-in-1. Now there are so many videos on this, I'm not sure what else I can add to this as a review, but just a quick look around. You can see it's got a cap lifter on one end, it's got the usual flick out for the blade, and it's got a wire cutter as well. It has the quick blade change, as with all of these, which make it really simple to use. Has a pocket clip. It also has storage for one blade as well. And then one of the best things that it has this excellent 1/4-inch hex driver with a double-ended bit. So the flat head and the fillets. And it's not magnetic, but it does retain it, and it locks fully out like this, and it's well centered, so it's easy to turn, unlike some multi-tools that have an off-centered screwdriver. So it locks, it comes back in, it's got a half stop before it closes, and then the final thing is it has a lanyard hole as well. So I didn't want to review this just as it is. I'm thinking about using this as a multi-tool to base a small toolkit around. So ideal for at home or even to carry in your pocket. We can take advantage of this 1/4-inch bit driver. We could put an extender on. So that's held pretty well. And then if we add other bits, that works really well. And you've got a really good reach screwdriver there. Or you don't even need the extender, you can just add other bits in here as well. So they all fit. So that's the first thing we can do. So now it's not just the double-ended bit, you've got any range of bits to go with that. How about if we added the Knipex Cobra XS to it? This is just a fairly standard one. I've just added some shrink sleeves to it just to make it a little bit comfortable. It does match nicely with the Milwaukee as well for that. So I think that's an excellent little toolkit. So let's just put this away. I think all we need really is just a case to put it in. Now, I haven't got any fancy cases, so I found this spectacles case with a good zip on it. So I think I probably broke the glasses a while ago, but these fit in here really well. It zips up, and this will fit in a normal jeans front pocket, just about. It's fairly compact. It doesn't rattle too much. In fact, that's the zip. Let's just check the weight out. Altogether, this weighs in at 302 grams, or in ounces, that's 10 ounces, 10.7. So that's not bad at all. So here you have a mini toolkit, perfect for use around the house. Now in the UK, unfortunately, you can't take this out of the house in your pocket because it's got a locking blade. So that locking blade means it's not UK legal. So it's great for using around the house in the UK for most of those jobs. This will cover most of the things you've got to do. Outside of the UK, in the US, it will make a great pocket tool set. And I think this will be a great replacement for a Leatherman. And quite a lot cheaper as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe. It really helps my channel and it lets me know that I'm putting out the right sort of content. It gives me an idea for what sort of things to work on next. All comments you have are welcome. Good or bad, it helps me make better videos and we get some really good chat going in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.